Jealousy is one of the most dangerous emotions a person can carry. It hides behind fake smiles, unnecessary criticism, and silent comparisons. Many people will not admit that they are jealous of you, but their actions and behaviors often reveal the truth. Understanding these signs is important so you can protect your peace, your energy, and your growth. Today, let's talk about the 10 common signs that someone may be secretly jealous of you. One of the clearest signs that someone is jealous of you is the way they respond to your success. Instead of celebrating your achievements with genuine happiness, they try to make them seem smaller than they really are. For example, if you get a promotion at work, instead of saying, "Congratulations, you worked hard for this," they might respond with something like, "Oh, you just got lucky," or "It's not a big deal. Anyone could have done that." Their words are not meant to encourage you, but to take away the weight of your accomplishment. This behavior often comes from insecurity. Your success reminds them of what they haven't achieved yet, and instead of working harder on their own path, they try to make you feel as if your growth is ordinary. They may even joke about it, turning your proud moment into something light or unimportant. But beneath the surface, it is not a joke. It is a strategy to reduce your confidence. Sometimes this downplaying happens in very subtle ways. They might not openly insult your achievement, but they will quickly change the topic when you share your good news. Or they'll respond with very little emotion, as if what you did doesn't matter at all. Over time, this can make you feel like your victories are invisible, especially if this person is close to you and you expect support from them. What makes this sign so toxic is that it affects your mindset. When you repeatedly hear someone dismiss your progress, you may start to doubt yourself. You might begin to question if what you achieved was truly valuable. But in reality, the problem is not your achievement. It's their inability to handle your growth without feeling insecure. Another strong sign of jealousy is when someone begins to imitate you. They watch what you do, how you dress, how you speak, and even how you work, and then they try to adopt those same habits for themselves. At first, it might look flattering. You may even think they admire you. But the real problem comes when they never acknowledge that their inspiration came from you. Instead, they act as if those ideas, styles, or actions were always theirs. This kind of copying is not about genuine admiration, it is about competition. A jealous person doesn't want to simply learn from you. They want to take what you've built and wear it as if it's their own identity. For instance, if you start a new project and it becomes successful, they may quickly try to start something similar, presenting it as their original idea. If you develop a unique style in fashion, speech, or work ethic, they'll mirror it. But instead of saying, "I learned this from you," they will claim it as part of their natural character. What makes this behavior frustrating is the lack of acknowledgement. True admiration is open and honest. It says, "You inspired me, and I respect what you've done." Jealousy, however, hides behind imitation without giving any credit. The person doesn't want others to know you are the source of their influence, because admitting that would be accepting that you are ahead of them in some way. Often, this type of copying can feel uncomfortable because it strips away your uniqueness. It can feel like your originality is being stolen and repackaged. Over time, you may notice that whenever you take a step forward, they try to follow with a similar step, not to grow with you, but to compete silently. They want the benefits of your creativity without honoring the source. This is why people who are jealous rarely celebrate your originality. They prefer to duplicate it. By copying you, they try to prove to themselves and to others that they can be just as good as you, if not better, even though deep inside, they know they're only following your path. One of the most noticeable behaviors of a jealous person is their constant criticism. No matter how well you perform, they always find something negative to say. You could do something remarkable that others praise, but instead of acknowledging your effort, they will immediately point out a small flaw or mistake. Their words often sound like judgment disguised as honesty or advice, but the truth is, their criticism is not meant to help you. It is meant to bring you down. There is a big difference between constructive criticism and jealous criticism. Constructive criticism comes from a place of care. It helps you see areas for growth while still appreciating what you did right. Jealous criticism, however, is one-sided. It focuses only on the negatives, never the positives. If you score 95 out of 100, they won't congratulate you for the 95. They'll say, "Why didn't you get the full marks?" If you achieve something great at work, instead of saying, "Well done," they'll say, "You should have done it differently." The danger of this constant criticism is that it slowly chips away at your self-esteem. When you keep hearing negative remarks, especially from someone close to you, you may start to doubt your abilities. You begin to wonder, am I really as good as others say, or am I just average? That's exactly what a jealous person wants, to weaken your confidence so they can feel stronger in comparison. Sometimes, this criticism doesn't even have to be spoken directly to you. A jealous person might complain about you behind your back, highlighting every small weakness you have while ignoring your strengths. They want others to view you through a critical lens so that your image becomes smaller in people's eyes. And when you confront them, they often hide behind excuses like, "I was just being honest," or "I only want the best for you," when in reality, their goal is to mask their envy under the cover of honesty. This is why their words rarely come with balance. They don't recognize your efforts or growth, they don't highlight what you've done right, and they don't celebrate your milestones. Their eyes are trained only on your imperfections, because pointing them out makes them feel superior, even if it's only for a moment. One of the trickiest and most confusing signs of jealousy is when someone acts happy for you, but deep inside they're not. On the surface, they might smile, clap, or say, "Congratulations," but if you pay close attention, their tone, their body language, and their overall energy often reveal the truth. Their smile might feel forced, their voice may lack excitement, or their words may sound rehearsed instead of natural. It's as if they are performing happiness instead of genuinely feeling it. This false celebration happens because they know that openly showing jealousy would make them look bad. So, they wear a mask of support to maintain appearances. They don't want you or others to notice that your success bothers them. For example, if you share exciting news about buying a new car, they might say, "Wow, that's nice," but without real enthusiasm. Or if you achieve something important, they might post a half-hearted comment online, not because they want to, but because they feel they have to, in order to avoid suspicion. Another way this behavior shows up is through comparisons hidden inside compliments. Instead of simply saying, "You did an amazing job," they'll say things like, "That's good, but I know someone who did even better," or "Yeah, I guess it's nice for now." The compliment is never pure. It's mixed with a subtle reminder that you're not as special as you think. That small twist in their words reveals their discomfort with your success. What makes this behavior damaging is the confusion it creates. When someone pretends to be happy for you, you may feel that something is off, but you can't point it out directly, because technically, they are congratulating you. This creates a silent tension. You sense their jealousy, but you also feel guilty for doubting their sincerity. Over time, this can make you cautious about sharing your wins with them, because you know their support is not real, it's just an act. In many cases, this fake happiness becomes more obvious during big milestones. The bigger your achievement, the harder it is for them to hide their true feelings. Their congratulations become shorter, their enthusiasm weaker, and their presence less consistent. While true friends grow louder in your victories, jealous people grow quieter, only clapping enough so no one notices their envy. Jealousy often transforms into silent competition. A person who envies you will constantly measure themselves against you, turning even the smallest situations into a contest. Instead of focusing on their own growth, they make you the standard they're chasing. If you buy something new, they suddenly want to buy something bigger or more expensive. If you accomplish a goal, they immediately look for a way to achieve something that seems equal, or preferably greater. It's not about their journey anymore, it's about trying to outshine you. This behavior can appear in everyday life. If you start going to the gym, they may suddenly join too, not because they care about fitness, but because they can't stand the idea of you improving while they stay the same. If you mention you've read a book, they'll rush to read it as well, just so they can say, "I know more about it than you." If you achieve recognition at work, they might go out of their way to take on projects, not out of passion, but out of a need to prove they can match you. The problem with this constant competition is that it never ends. Instead of enjoying your friendship, partnership, or relationship with them, you begin to feel as if you are in a race you never signed up for. Everything turns into a comparison: your job, your income, your looks, your achievements, even your happiness. They see your life as a scoreboard, and every time you win a point, they feel they must win one too, or even steal two to get ahead. This competitive spirit doesn't come from ambition, but from insecurity. Deep down, a jealous person feels that your growth threatens them. They believe that if you rise higher, they fall lower, as if success is limited. Instead of learning from your progress, they treat it as a personal challenge, which leads them to chase after you instead of focusing on their own goals. What makes this particularly exhausting is that it steals the joy out of your victories. When you share good news, instead of receiving support, you get a competing story. For example, you might say, "I finally finished my project," and they'll reply, "Oh, I finished mine 2 weeks ago, and it was even harder." They cannot let your moment shine because they are too busy trying to prove they can match or surpass it. When jealousy grows too strong, it often turns into negativity behind closed doors. A jealous person may not always attack you directly, but they will try to damage your image when you're not around. They gossip, spread rumors, and exaggerate your mistakes because in their eyes, lowering your reputation makes them feel taller. It's a silent war they fight in whispers, hoping others will view you as less successful or less admirable. This behavior usually begins with small comments. They might say things like, "Yeah, she's doing well, but you don't know what's really going on," or "Hey, acts confident, but trust me, it's all fake." At first, it may seem harmless, but these words plant seeds of doubt in other people's minds. Over time, those seeds grow into distorted stories, and suddenly, people who once admired you start questioning you because of what they've heard. The painful part is that these rumors often attack areas you're most proud of. If you're known for your hard work, they'll say you cheated your way to success. If you're admired for your kindness, they'll claim it's fake. If you achieve something great, they'll insist you didn't deserve it. They twist the truth, not because it's real, but because they can't handle the spotlight shining on you. Talking behind your back also gives them a sense of power. In your presence, they may smile or act polite, but the moment you leave, they reveal their true feelings. This double-faced behavior is one of the strongest signs of jealousy because it shows that they cannot confront you directly. They would rather try to influence others against you than deal with their own insecurities. And the more successful you become, the more dangerous this behavior can get. Jealous people feel threatened when your achievements keep growing, so their words grow sharper. They may try to gather others who feel the same way, turning your name into a subject of constant discussion. Instead of improving themselves, they waste their energy trying to stain your reputation, because in their mind, pulling you down is easier than lifting themselves up. Perhaps one of the most painful signs of jealousy is when someone secretly enjoys your struggles. A jealous person may act neutral on the outside when things go wrong for you, but deep down they feel a sense of relief, even happiness, that you've stumbled. Your failure makes them feel more comfortable because it balances the gap between your success and their insecurities. Sometimes this shows in subtle ways. If you face a setback, instead of offering comfort or encouragement, they might respond with phrases like, "I knew this would happen," or, "Well, I guess you're not as perfect as people thought." These statements are not about helping you heal. They are reminders that they've been waiting for you to slip. Even if they don't say it out loud, their body language often betrays them. You may notice a faint smile, a tone of satisfaction, or a sudden boost of confidence in them after your loss. Other times, their reaction is hidden behind fake sympathy. They might say, "Oh, I'm so sorry," but their words feel hollow, their eyes brighter than they should be, as if your downfall secretly excites them. This false concern becomes more obvious when they bring up your failure repeatedly, reminding you of it even after you've moved on. Instead of helping you rebuild, they use your setback as proof that you're not as strong, smart, or capable as people think. In some cases, jealous people even help spread the news of your failure. If you lose an opportunity, they'll make sure others hear about it. If you face rejection, they'll tell the story in a way that magnifies your defeat. They don't do this out of care, they do it to highlight your weakness, because seeing you struggle makes them feel powerful. What makes this behavior so damaging is the betrayal it carries. You expect people close to you to support you during hard times, but instead their jealousy blinds them to your pain. Your lowest moments become their quiet victories, and instead of standing beside you, they use your failure as fuel for their ego. One of the more subtle but very telling signs of jealousy is when people start to pull away from you right at the moment you're doing well. Instead of celebrating your progress and standing by your side, they slowly disappear, making excuses for why they can't be around. It's not because they're truly busy, it's because your success makes them uncomfortable. Being near you becomes a constant reminder of what they haven't achieved. So the easiest way for them to cope is to distance themselves. This distancing can appear in many forms. They might stop replying to your messages as often, avoid conversations where you share your good news, or fail to show up for important milestones in your life. For example, if you get promoted, instead of congratulating you in person, they might remain silent or simply send a short, emotionless text. If you buy a new home, they might avoid visiting it altogether. Their absence speaks louder than words. It reveals that they cannot handle your growth without feeling overshadowed. In some cases, this distance becomes emotional rather than physical. They may still be around you, but the energy changes. Conversations feel colder, their support feels weaker, and the bond you once shared begins to fade. It's not that they no longer know you, it's that they no longer know how to exist comfortably around your rising success. Every achievement of yours highlights their own dissatisfaction with themselves, and instead of facing that feeling, they choose to withdraw. This behavior is particularly noticeable with people who used to be very present in your life. They were there when things were ordinary, when you were still struggling, and when you had little to show. But the moment you started growing, the dynamic shifted. Where there should have been pride, there is silence. Where there should have been joy, there is absence. Their distance is a shield to protect their ego, because being close to you now feels like standing in a shadow. What makes this sign so hurtful is that success should strengthen relationships, not weaken them. True friends and genuine people become louder in your victories, clapping for you as if they've won themselves. But jealousy twists people's hearts. It makes them retreat, because your light shines too brightly for them to stay close without feeling small. Jealousy is a silent poison. It doesn't always shout, but it always shows itself through actions, behaviors, and attitudes. When someone constantly downplays your achievements, copies you without credit, criticizes more than they compliment, pretends to be happy for you, competes with you, spreads rumors, celebrates your failures, or distances themselves from your success, it's not about you, it's about them. Their jealousy is a reflection of their insecurities, not your worth. The most important thing to remember is this: never dim your light just to make others comfortable. Your success, your growth, and your happiness are not something to be hidden. They are proof of your effort, your resilience, and your faith in yourself. Let jealous people reveal themselves, but don't let their envy stop your journey. Protect your peace, stay focused on your goals, and keep shining, because no amount of jealousy can block the blessings meant for you.